Today, we're in one of Clermont's most well-established communities, Greater Pines. And if you're someone that's looking for larger home sites with mature trees, a low HOA, still have the amenities, and even gas service in the community, then this right here might be your next stop. When it comes to Greater Pines, you get a different architectural feel. Definitely does not feel like the new construction cookie cutter homes you're seeing nowadays. And on top of that, a lot of these lots have a minimum of a third of an acre. So you've got the space, the privacy, and the best location right here in Clermont. Now, one of the important features to note on this community that actually even most realtors are still getting wrong in their MLS listings today is the fact that it is a septic community. So all of the homes have septic tanks. There is public water, but at the end of the day, if you're buying a property in here, you want to get that septic inspected. And in reality, every 2 to 3 years is when you should see those being maintained or serviced. So as you can see behind me, we have the tot lot, the tennis courts, and the pool. They're all located in one of the two entrances that this community has and super well maintained for the HOA fees that we were talking about. It really doesn't get better than this. I mean, in reality, this should be at least a couple $100 comparing it to the market and what most of these communities are charging for these amenities. So location-wise, you literally have everything that you need within about 15 minutes. So Costco, Walmart, Epic Theaters, literally everything that you need, shopping, entertainment, is right at your fingertips within a short drive, and it really couldn't get any better than this. You're right next door to a bunch of the local parks like Lake Felter. You also have Hancock Park, which are always buzzing with tons of activity, sports, and just things to do with the family all week around. So up next, we're gonna go ahead and tour one of our latest listings right here in Greater Pines, and that way you can get a feel for what the homes look like and one of the coolest models that they had available at the time. So the current homeowners made sure that you have peace of mind with everything from the roof to the AC to the pool. And not only that, but they've done plenty of cosmetic updates that I'm about to show you. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a gas-heated pool, and a fully fenced lot. So as you can see, as I'm walking through, you have these beautiful pines all the way throughout, mature trees in every setting, and open fields, the amenities. It really is a tranquil feel. And then at the same time, you're not completely isolated from Clermont, getting the easy access to State Road 50, easy access to the turnpike, whatever your commute might be. This is pretty well situated to be able to accommodate that. One of the reasons that buyers gravitate towards Greater Pines is because it's a community that offers balance amongst things that truly matter, like lot size, HOA fees, and location in and of itself. And then when you combine the three, at the end of the day, makes it a very attractive option for buyers that are looking here in Clermont. So if you're in the Clermont market and you're trying to find the perfect subdivision or neighborhood for you and your family, then give us a call. I'm going to drop my information here below. Happy to guide you guys and explore the different settings that we have to offer here in Clermont. And I appreciate you for watching. Catch you on the next one.